So as you might know, slimline cards are really hot right now, and everyone seems to be switching things up to this style of card. Now, they're not a new thing, these have been around for years, but they do seem to be on trend right now. They give such an elegant touch to your handmade cards. Hi there, I'm Lydia from Altenew, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of slimline card ideas that you may want to try to get your foot into the door of this new trend. There are so many different sizes for slimline cards, and we're not really sure there is a perfect size set in stone. So really just have a play around with the many different card sizes and see which one works for you. Many of the popular sizes aren't made to fit into a business size envelope, but as we said, just play around and see which one works for you. As long as you can make your own envelope, it doesn't really matter the size. Slimline cards are so fun to make and make a huge change to the normal A2 size cards. They are very elegant shape and can be dressed up or dressed down depending on your card making preference. When starting making slimline cards, you can always go for a minimalistic look by just adding a focal flower or focal point sentiment. You can also add a touch of drama to your slimline cards, just like the lovely Jessie has done here by just using a black card base for your design. Nicole shows here that you can use different mediums to get different looks using the same sketch. All over pattern backgrounds are also great to add to your slimline cards. It's just like doing a normal card front, but more in a skinnier fashion. JC shows a couple of floral beauties with these cards and shows how you can mix and match your medias to get gorgeous floral displays. So, have you already gotten into the slimline card trend? If so, please let us know your favourite slimline card size in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautifully crafty day. See you soon. Bye bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.